Soontrue Intelligent, the benchmarking brand of Chinese packaging automation industry. Soontrue Intelligent was founded in 1993. Committed to R&D, production, sales and engineering service of packaging machinery, automation equipment and robots. For research and manufacturing bases nationwide, Shanghai, Foshan, Chengdu, Jiaxing. Covering a total land area of around 170,000 square meters, we have more than 1,900 employees. We have built over 30 marketing and service outlets as well as more than 1,000 authorized distributors nationwide. Inheriting the innovative spirit and sticking to independent research of core technologies, Soontrue owns over 870 patents, as a national-level high-tech enterprise featured in specialization, refinement and innovation. Our products serve dozens of industries, including snack food, bakery, frozen food, condiments, prepared dishes, chemical products, household paper, sanitary products, hardware, and daily chemicals, 3C electronics and more.
R&D and production, technology-driven manufacturing upgrade, flexibility and scale production capacity. Customer service. We provide packaging automation solutions for over 20,000 enterprises.